Have you ever found that dense chaotic geometry makes game assets unfriendly for game development? Artist Mesh now helps you generate clean, low-poly 3D meshes with one click. Instead of bloated geometry, it gives you a lightweight mesh you can edit, animate, and drop straight into Unity or Unreal. Jump to the Artist Mesh tab on the left. Click, drag, or paste your reference. Set your vertex count, and generate in seconds. Artist Mesh spits out 4 unique mesh variations. Pick the one with the cleanest wireframe and tightest silhouette, then you can either jump straight into texturing or export it right then and there. Zero retopology, no cleanup, no extra hoops to jump through. Go with Artist Mesh for speed and game-ready assets, or HD Mesh for detail and cinematic quality. Just pick whatever fits your pipeline. Artist Mesh is a huge win for developers, indie teams, and XR creators. No more cleanup bottlenecks. Go try it for free on our platform right now, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We've got tons more cool content on the way.